Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, Leg Up Ability, and welcome to another walk in the forest, another forest walk and talk. This video is going to be slightly different. As you can probably gather, I am not doing the walking, Pluto is doing the walking. But I'm going to go take a little stroll down the lane in where we go horse riding. But the point of this video is to highlight the benefit of walking for our own mental health, but also it's important for your animals' mental health as well. As you know, Pluto has been on box rest for the last 2 or 3 weeks, Pluto, and that means she's been in the stables resting for the last 2 weeks. So if you can imagine being cooped up in your bedroom and doing nothing for the last 2 weeks, you would get bored and frustrated. Well, it's the same for horses. They get bored and frustrated, and it can make them slightly depressed. So it's important for you to maintain your horse's mental health and stimulus by stimulating their mind with all these new and natural scenery and smells, because she gets frustrated in there being locked up in the stable all the time. So yeah, this walk is mainly about her and what we can do to help maintain her health. And yeah, so I hope you guys look after your horses or your animals' health by taking them for a walk in the forest. Because just like you and me, they get bored and they need stimuli, and they need to smell things and hear things and see the natural colours to relax their brains. So yeah, this is just to highlight the importance of walking in the forest for your horse. Thanks much for listening, and yeah, hopefully see you later. Bye.
Could you do me a massive favour? He's after dropping his phone. Please. Because if he gets down, he'll not get back up. Just there, in the mud. Up to the left of it. Yeah.
Thanks very much.
No.
Face.
Oh, it's yours.
Yes.
No, you're right.
Thanks very much, sir. Right. Thank you. Hi everybody. Getting updates, and as you can see, Pluto is out in the field with her friends. If she is, I've got a picture of her. There she is. She lies with her friends in the field. Here's Sean coming over. So, as I will hear the video, it fight the giant. Even though as humans we should look after our mental health, we should also look after our horse's mental health. And getting out to your field in the sunshine is essential. This is where they can chill out, eat some grass, stretch and have a nice roller base. Not like Pluto and get lovely and funky. So daddy, yeah. So as I say, it's important for the horse as well and yourself. And you're looking after your own mental health, you make sure you look after your horse's mental health. Because it's a partnership, it's a team. Not like Pluto, Team Pluto and David. She's there for me, for my mental health. She helped me with my mental health. So I have a duty of care to her, to look after her mental health. And as you can see, she relaxed. And there's lovely surroundings. There you go. So all her friends, well, she has jazz fans, get not a lot. She's very picky. I give my beauty. Nah, she, yeah, so, as I say, for your own health and for your horse's health, make sure you look after both mental health of both of you. Okay? Alright, thanks very much. Thanks for listening. Alright, and so you go have a night rest. Now, for the day.